Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Risk of Rain. I am Rawrquaza. This is Jeopardy. No, this is, we're gonna play as the Huntress. We've got Spite and Origin on. It's been a while since I've just done a run of Risk of Rain. I do play very frequently on my stream at twitch.tv/Rawrquaza. If you ever, drop me a follow there if you want to come hang out. I've been streaming a lot lately, and not just Risk of Rain. All sorts of stuff. Come hang out if you're ever curious or just want to say hi or whatever. I highly encourage that. I do want to talk about, there's a reason that I'm making a, you'll notice that I don't usually make Risk of Rain videos just off the cuff. At this point, it's kind of like, oh, hey, Quaza did another Risk of Rain video. What, there must be a reason at this point, because it's like, I don't make them consistently anymore, I still play a lot of Risk of Rain, actually, but, there is actually a very specific reason, why we are making a video today, and that's just because I wanted to, share a piece of news that happened to me recently. Yesterday, my girlfriend and I, went to a place that we both, knew about and enjoyed greatly, and, I don't know how much, that's about as much as I'm going to disclose about that. At least for now. But we had a lot of fun, and then during that time, I proposed to her, and she accepted. So now we're engaged to be married. This has been a long time coming. We have both been. I mean, we've been together for like actually 11 years. Been together since, like, I checked my Facebook status, because I haven't actually gone on Facebook in not exaggerating 2 years, but I got on Facebook to change my status from in a relationship with my girlfriend to like, it's complicated because now we're engaged. So that was the meme. Oh my fucking god, man! Come on, can't we have one nice thing? But anyway. Okay, arms race. Well, it's a great run. But yeah, we've on Facebook that the previous relationship, it was like we've been together since 2005. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Are we gonna do this? Why are we doing this? What the hell? Alright, we don't need items, it's fine. So yeah, I'm very excited. We're gonna be probably getting married sometime next year. Originally we had intended to, like, not have a wedding. Like, just get married at, like, a courthouse, but, talked to our parents, and they kind of heavily convinced us to, get married, because it's like, oh, and the points that they brought up were like, oh, it's it's a once in a lifetime thing. You'll only do it once, ideally. I mean, we intend to never. Oh god, I'm not gonna get them. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I did it. Carrara Marble. You know what? Sure. Happiest mask. All right. Man, I haven't actually played one of these shrines in a while. It's a really weird, very weird run so far. I could use some healing, though. That's kind of my main thing. But yeah, no, so, I mean, we're scheduled to be married sometime next fall. I'm very excited. I don't know. I just felt like I had to share it. I'm super excited. It's been a long time coming. We've been together since, like, actual middle school. that's when we started going out, or started dating. So it's been a long time coming. I'm very excited. Very, very excited. I need some health though. Should probably just find the teleporter. Kind of want to kill this one dude though. There we go. Man. It still kind of blows my mind too. It's been so long. This, you know, we've been on the same page about this for a long time, as you can imagine. It's nice to finally have it be official and stuff. I don't know where we're gonna get married or what we're gonna do. You know, I think War Banner is probably a better idea. Maybe not. Oh my god. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. I can't decide. I think it's not worth it to go in there right now. Okay, we need to ditch a little bit here. It's alright to ditch. Really use like a monster tooth or some sort of life on hit or something. There's a tier 2 down there. Oh, goat hoof. Gotta get that goat hoof. Give us extra move speed. Let us survive. I'm just. It's still this weird state of like processing right now, trying to figure out. I mean, yeah, but no, I don't think I'm gonna do that. Now that we've kind of committed to, I don't know, we have a year to figure out all the wedding stuff. So I guess right now I'm just kind of enjoying the excitement. Ow, don't die. Just relax. Whoa, whoa. God, these jellyfish, man. Holy crap. Ow, dude, the spite with the ghosts. Oh, it's so silly. I need to get some healing, man. Kill that one. Yeah, nice. Okay. Give me the big chest. Okay, that helps a lot. Rusty Jetpack is going to allow us to actually dodge things, which is extremely useful. If we can get this guy to stop bouncing around like an idiot, that would be great. I am gonna buy this. Just because it's a little bit more passive. God damn it. I'm never... How... What are you doing? This is not working. I mean, it is, I guess. This fucking asshole. He's just wasting my time on purpose. Come on, man. Get out of here! But another thing, I did want to just thank all you guys for your continued, you know, support on the, you know, watching all my YouTube videos and watching streams and stuff. I've really, I think we've built like a pretty decent community here. We're gonna go all the way over here. I really do appreciate your guys' support. For those of you who watch without ad blockers and support me on Patreon and donate on stream, I appreciate that too. Especially. Shoutouts to Patreon supporters. You guys like are actually carrying my financial situation. I'm doing a lot of, there's a lot of new things coming for this channel. There's Enter the Gungeon, which is freaking amazing. I'm currently playing Hyper Light Drifter, which is a really great, Fairy Spark is really cool. Hyper Light Drifter is this really cool game. If you haven't checked that out already, do it. It's really neat. It reminds me a lot of, Titan Souls, except like actually thought out story and kind of there's mobs in it. It has a visual style that I've been told is similar to Risk of Rain, and I can see that. It's not like super similar, but the it's like a more zoomed in version, and it's the art and sound design is so pretty. The music design is masterpiece. But other than that, also coming on the channel are Dark Souls 3, which is, you know, obvious. That's gonna be huge. I'm super excited for that. And then there's also Enter the Gungeon, which is coming out maybe the 5th or the 7th of April. So a couple days from the time of recording. So yeah, come watch the stuff, man. Watch the stuff. I'm also playing on stream. I wanted to do some Kingdom Hearts on stream. Now, okay, here I do want to clear a few things up. Bloodborne is still going to happen. I was not playing it for no particular reason. I got distracted, and I'm going to continue to be distracted in April with the other games. We got Gungeon and Dark Souls 3 coming out. I will go back to Bloodborne, or I will finish it before. One of the two. We'll see. I'm not quitting the Bloodborne series. It just might have to be on hiatus until after we finish Dark Souls. Another thing is the obvious one, freaking Deadbolt. I am still gonna play Deadbolt. I just once again I got distracted by other things. Some real life events. It's been a whirlwind couple of days for me. Like this last week and a half has been some real life stuff that's, you know, I got fucking engaged for one thing. So, but I'm not trying to be like quitting any of my series. I feel bad every time like I start a series and then get distracted or whatever, but that's just how I am. I can't do much about that other than damage control later, but I don't know. Use some crit. That's not crit. Luckily, with two vagrants, we'll have free boss items. Oh man, my face itches. There we go. And Risk of Rain is really easy. I've been playing so much. Ooh, Nemesis nozzle. Yeah, okay. I've been playing so much on stream. We do the duh rules setup, which is glass, command. There's certain items that are banned, like infusion and ceremonial dagger, and a couple others. You can only get one. You know, you can't have guardian heart and honor. So glass, honor, spite. Oh shit! I might be dead. No, we're fine. Holy shit! I was falling down exactly with that the shock elite. Oh my god! I need to go. Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh! Yeah, I don't know. That's all I got. I'm really, I'm just in a very blissful state of existence right now. I'm super excited. I don't know. I think we're doing okay here. I don't think, I don't know what our long-term plans are. Why are there so many imps here? That's terrifying. Nice. There's a freaking healing elite in there, though. Okay. I don't like being here. Oh my god, I really don't like being there. I think we're gonna go back up to the top and we'll clear out any chests and just Nemesis nozzle things in there for a while. Just kind of soften them up a little bit, especially that left side, because there's a healing elite on the right side, which really sucks. But if we can clear one of the sides, then we can just shoot the other ones. Oh, there's also that there's a roguelike game involving robots that I wanted to check out. Developer gave me a key for. It comes out like tomorrow or something. Gotta check that out. Oh, Guardian Heart, that's like super great. A crit, excellent. Never have enough crit. Let's, oh my god. Roulette machines! I played with command. Oh, okay! I wasn't quite close enough. But, that's okay. ATG Mark 1 is good. One more. No. Dang it. This game is really good. I really enjoy this game. Okay, let's try to not dead. Okay, I think that went well. Oh my god. I'm gonna get out of there before all the ghosts explode and murder me. Holy shit. Alright, this is going well though. We solved the problem. We broke the bulwark. This guy is almost dead. Excellent. And that's it. We may have missed some stuff, but that's okay. Some chests. 20 minutes into the 4th stage is not the best thing in the world. But it's also not the worst. I mean, we're doing okay. Certainly could be worse. Honestly, I think what really separates the runs that I usually do from this run is the fact that we don't have command on. It's so much easier without, or not command, honor, the one that makes them all elites. It's so much easier when they're not all elites. I'm a little bit worried about this guy. Well, there's our first drone. Welcome to the party. Good thing we got those two arms race as our first freaking items. Okay, I think we need to just run until the timer stops. Mainly the birds kind of scare me. Oh god, don't get hit by the parents. I'm gonna ditch. Oh god, a fast parent! No, 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 no. Oh god, I really don't want to have to go down here, but I'm going to because otherwise I think I'm going to die. Give me this health bubble. Oh, attack speed, that's amazing! Okay, I think we're doing okay here. Chill out until the timer stops. We'll be fine as long as we kite out the enemies. This is old strats. You know how to do this. Been down this road before. We got 15 seconds left. Just dealing with birds is easy. No problem. Except immediately we're dealing with more than just birds. Okay, dealing with birds is easy, no problem. Give me my shield back. Oh my god. Holy crap. Whoa. That was really close. Alright. Good stuff. Now we can slowly piece together our lives. Definitely don't have enough healing to sustain ourselves just off the cuff, though. Gotta play smart. Mopping up the parents, no big deal. I've dealt with more difficult parent encounters than this. Namely, telling the parents that we were getting married last night. It's pretty good. That's just a self-propagating, endless explosion town of death. And it's going to be again when they all explode. The ghosts all explode. Here we go. I just wanted to stick around to watch it. Oh my god. That's so good. I love Gup with Spite and ghosts. Honestly, this game has such unique... It has some really cool, unique mechanics. Spite, the ghosts exploding into spite. This game is great. fucking engaged. This shit. Bananas. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, wish lists. We need more healing. We need more damage. And a double jump would be really good. God, there's so much spite everywhere. Okay, we can get a better angle down there, but I do want to deal with these guys. You can give me an item. Come on, baby. Why don't you hit that mine? There you go. Hey, Overlord Tentacle. That's not super useful. But honestly, it doesn't hurt. Thank you for not jumping up there while we were trying to fight that dude. What a nice guy. Nice. Easy. Ow. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Okay. Tesla coil is really good. That was very nearly our death though. That'll help with anti-birds a lot. You know what I really like is Tesla coil on glass, but we're not on glass. It's still a really good item. Like, it's quite good. It adds a lot of damage. Oh my goodness. Alright, easy. Ooh, alien head. That was worth the walk through the death corridor down here. We have some more possible items too. I like it. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Okay. Dead Man's Foot for $4 billion. You know, Dead Man's Foot's pretty good. Does quality damage. It's good with panic mines, which we also have. Get both of them at once. Get some nice, when we take damage. Reactionary damage, which is not my favorite type of damage in video games. I tend to like active damage or passive damage. And when I say active damage, I mean passive damage. It's damage that I deal. It basically always is active. I don't have to like proc things in special ways. I just shoot things and, you know, bonuses that support me just shooting things is the way to go. We could go for these drones, but I don't like drones. I don't want to mess around with those. We do have the 2 arms races, so honestly it wouldn't be a terrible idea, but we're gonna go jump off the left just to see if the teleporter is right here or not. It was not. Oh, blighted enemy. Yeah, okay. Okay, now we run forever. Okay. Now we run like forever. Because I regret everything. With the blighted Clayman following us. That's okay, though. I really don't have a reliable source of healing, but we did get the payout, so... You know, if I hadn't have taken, if I hadn't have taken that goat hoof and instead we had gotten the stopwatch, we could have been able to, like, pause time and kill multiple dudes. But I didn't do that. Goat hoof, man. Generally goat hoof is banned in my stream just because it's so good. Movement speed is super useful in this game. To the point where we don't allow it. I think what we're gonna do here, sit down right here and see what there is to see. Just let things spawn. Let Tesla Coil deal with these bugs. Easy life. The main thing here, though, is actually getting all of the enemies to spawn in one spot, which allows us to kind of pop them all at once. Very efficient with damage with our ghosts and stuff. Mad assist nozzle. Ow. I really like the noise that they make when they get shocked. It's very satisfying. Alright. Now I just deal with the rest of these bugs. Oh no! Okay, that's fine. Doing okay. Is that a blighted? No, that's a regular speed elite. That's the blighted enemy. Okay, that's totally okay. That's something that you don't get in honor runs either, though. I do miss the blighted enemies. I still wish that they could spawn. Honor. They're just really cool. Oh, is that another one? Okay. Golden gun, alright. I'll take extra damage. Try this roulette. Ah! I don't know why. I just got nervous. I just wanted to push it. I don't want Timekeeper's Secret. Infusion is pretty good. Kind of late though. If we just chill out right here, it'll be fine. Chill out. 7 seconds. We'll get the most bang for our buck if we do it this way. Oh, hello. Okay. Hey, warp down here, friend. Okay, one more should start popping some dudes. Theoretically. Tesla coil, don't arc to the ghost. That doesn't make any sense. Yeah! Dang it, the ghosts are falling off. Get him, buddy. Imp friend. Everything. That's okay. We can kill them. Oh, they did all kill themselves. Thank you, ghosts. I'm gonna try going up here. Oh, yes. Yes, yes. Frost relic. Oh my god. Okay, we're fine. It's okay. It's all good. Don't die. Whew. That was a little bit spicy. But we got a frost relic. Everything up there is pretty much dead also. Frost relic still hits. Oh my god. Oh my god, I died! The spite, man. I knew that we were getting hit. In that last moment, I was like, oh god. You know, if I go down here, then we're gonna get hit by spite. And I tried to jump off, but we were being hit by the bounce, the spite on the bounce from the wall, which was kind of ridiculous. Oh well, you know what? I'm happy with that. That was a fun run. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go record some Deadbolt, maybe some Hyperlight Drifter. Thanks. Thank you for all of your continued support over the past like couple years that I've been doing this channel. I really appreciate it. And come hang out on stream, man. Give me a follow at twitch.tv/Rawrquaza. It's chill. We play all sorts of stuff. Come get into Path of Exile with me, or watch Borderlands 1 Life's fail miserably. Anyway, take it easy, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.